Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to our EGM Securities Update. Lawrence, I hope you had a good weekend.
Same.
Excellent. There's a lot going on in gold. Shall we start there first? Typically, people look at it for a safe haven in a turbulent world, but it doesn't seem to be doing that.
Yeah, so now the reason for that is that investors are looking for dollar-denominated assets. So US securities, because obviously they pay a return, percentage return, and gold does not give an interest rate. So
yes. Typically it costs you money to
it
store your
costs you
gold.
money, yeah. So remember, we are still below 1,200, right? Which
Yes.
is the key point we're looking at. So the same reasons why the market was, kind of pushed it below 1,200, the reasons are still there. So the thing is, we have, this, kind of turmoil. It's very cyclical in terms of emerging market risk, and also in terms of, the looming trade wars. But remember, there was a delegation between America and China. So kind of people are kind of, trying to sense kind of an easing off of that. And then you see this move that happened.
So you're seeing the dollar sell off a little bit now,
Yes,
are you?
yes.
As
Yes.
people anticipate some kind of settlement
Exactly.
between
But
Trump and Xi Jinping.
Yes, but until people kind of get off the equities and kind of now move to gold, I think it's still going to be below 1,200. So right now I want to go for a buy or a sell.
Yes.
Maybe I would kind of want to see what happens in the delegation, kind of follow the trade war thing, and kind of see what happens in terms of gold.
But if you think 1,200 is a key level, could you, for example, put in an order with yourselves at 11,950 and leave it? Or is
I actually think that gold is going to be below 1,200 for some time.
Yes.
Maybe a month also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But until you see that happen, I still think I can't go long.
Yeah.
I'm still looking to short it.
Yes.
But it's too oversold, so I can't sell at that point.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
That's my view on gold.
So we'll keep an eye. We'll keep an eye on that. I mean, I'm seeing a lot of charters talk about a big break lower.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we can go to oil. My oil trade, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So where did we sell again?
At 70.
At 70.
At 70.
Just below 71.
Yes, just below 71. Now it's at 72.
Yeah.
So we haven't, it was 100 barrels, so we are still around the same price.
Yes.
But remember now for oil, we had like, American oil production kind of went lower during the last week. So we saw the kind of, market kind of move up. But remember in futures, nothing much happened. So the production in oil in America kind of went low, but there was nothing that happened in the New York futures. So I think it's just, kind of a take profit for the guys who are sold. But I'm kind of looking for, a further sale of this week.
Yes.
But
You're
again,
still looking for 61, 62?
Yes. But again, we are still looking at the Chinese delegation.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, you think that's relevant as well.
It's
So
very
it's quite
relevant,
geopolitical.
Yeah, it's very geopolitical.
Yeah. Currency everyone's obsessed with at the moment,
Turkish
the Turkish lira.
Yeah, the Turkish lira.
We're around 610.
Yes. So now.
Yes. And I hear Turkey's off this whole week or something.
Yeah. So now what is happening right now? It's impossible to sell off the real right now.
It is.
Yeah. So they've completely squeezed liquidity. So and we are looking for an S&P downgrade in terms of the rating. So every investor is kind of off. It's no surprise it was going to happen one way or the other. So for most investors right now, it's kind of hard to sell the lira. So that's why you see this consolidation. So I think it's going to kind of range out.
Yes.
Until it's the next move. I don't think it will gain or lose very much.
So if you wanted to sell it today, can we sell it with you or we can't?
Right now we can't sell it.
But we have an open trade. We
have an open trade. We can keep that, kind of see what happens.
Yes.
I think it's going to range.
Yeah.
And then we kind of see if there are any allies that that Aragon is going to get.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the last thing we were going to look at was at the Nasdaq.
Yeah, the Nasdaq.
Yes. Where?
So you say that you want to go long?
No, I was looking at some charts, and and I think this ties in with your theory. If there's going to be some easing of tension.
Yeah.
So I just thought, to have a buy the Nasdaq.
Yeah.
With like a 300-point stop.
Okay, I think I'll go with you there.
Okay.
I'm also long on Nasdaq.
Okay, so
equities I'm long.
Okay.
Yeah, so maybe you can place a trade here.
So.
Yeah.
Okie dokie. So now.
Okay. So for every point it's $10.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
great.
So I would put it there.
Yes.
So at that price we would lose $1,000, just like we do half our 0.5% of our account size.
Yes.
So it's not too much risk on our side. Yeah.
We're still risk averse.
Yeah, still very risk averse. Yeah.
Thank you, Lawrence.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.